How to know if someone blocked you on TikTok. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll guide you to how you can know if someone blocked you on TikTok. The first thing is, if someone has blocked you on TikTok, you'll no longer be accessed to their account, to their videos, and it will show that person is no longer available on the profile. Now, if you log into the TikTok app, you can see your friends' videos and view the videos and like the videos. You can open up the profile. But if you can't access to the profile anymore, it means that the person has blocked you on TikTok. This way, you can find out if someone has blocked you on TikTok or not. Remember that you will no longer be access to the videos, to their account, to their profile, and you can't either text them or do anything on the profile. Hope you like the video. Do not forget to like and subscribe and leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.